For God's sake, don't forget to use plural s after these determiners. Hello, this is Anita from English Station. After years and years of teaching, I've come to conclude that almost all of the students forget to use plural s after these determiners. One of and none of. For example, they say one of my classmates invited me to the party, which is wrong. One of my classmates invited me to a party. Or they say none of my family members care about me. None of my family members. Other and different. For example, they say the culture is not the same in other countries. I tried different hotels, but they were all the same. I tried different hotels. I have to see a lot of clients. Several. I have read several books in my life. Many Americans work 2 shifts. Of course, many Americans work 2 shifts. Few and a few. For example, they say teacher. I have few friends. Or also they say I have been overseas a few times. A few times is the correct one. Last one, some. I have some videos related to this subject, which you can find the link in the description down below. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.